Okay, guys, so here we are going to solve another question that is evaluate reverse policy notation of Leetcode 150. So basically, it's the policy notation actually means postfix evaluation. So we can just check in here and we'll focus to the Wikipedia page and we will have what actually this means. So basically, it's a postfix notation, another name. So what the problem is saying. We are given an array of string tokens that represents an arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. So basically, we have given an array of strings which names token, and basically the string array contains arithmetic operation in postfix term. So basically, the operate postfix term means the operator are on in the int side. Basically, we give the example the operand operator are in the end of the numeric value. So this is the postfix evaluation, postfix expression. We are given a token array of string of postfix, postfix expression. So what we need to do is evaluate the expression. Basically, we need to solve the expression and return an integer that represents the value of an expression. So return an integer. Basically, what's the result of the postfix expression given? So the operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide. As we know, each operand must be in integer, so there is no in other numeric or other alphabetical term. And division between two integers always translate towards zero, and there will be any division. matlab there will be no division by zero. So let's check the constant first. The token length is in 1 to 10 to the power 4. That's pretty nice. So we will obviously you have like guessed what we're gonna do. We will be using a stack for this. So we will be like iterating over this array and pushing the operands that is 2, 1 into the stack, and whenever we get an operator which is plus, minus, or multiply, divide, whenever we get an operator we would just pop out the previous two values and do our operation and push the result back into the stack. So this is a medium level problem, and I don't think it is medium because obviously this has to be an easy. This is not that hard. I'm showing you the solution. Okay, so this is a Java solution. Basically, we are creating a stack in here, and then we iterate over tokens dot length, which is at the string array given in the uh, question. And for each array, we are actually extracting a token in a character string. So basically, if the token is 4, we are extracting it in character, and I will while iterating over it. Now we'll check if it does a plus, minus, or multiply, divide, and do our operation. So basically, if it's the plus, by checking ch dot equals plus, we will stack dot push. What we stack dot push? The previous two values and doing the operation. So basically, we are copying the previous two values and doing the operation and pushing the result into back into the stack. Let me show you the how it is done. So here we are 1 3, we have given 1 3 in the stack, and we are popping 1 3 from the stack and evaluating because multiply is an operator, so we'll evaluate the 3 into 1 and push back the 3 into 1 into the stack. So we are popping the previous two values and pushing it. So for the plus we will do the same. For the in multiply we will do the same. But in the negative, what we will do? Pop the value, store it in a different variable, and again pop the value and subtract it from the previous value because order is you know a minus b doesn't equal b minus a. So that's why we are doing it, popping out the first values because we need to subtract it from previous value. So we can't just say stop is stack.pop minus stack.pop because we will be, subtract the after value from previous value. So we are doing this for maintaining the order and giving the correct result. So for multiply and for plus, we will do the same thing. For minus, we will first store the pop into a different variable n and then push the result after doing the operation. And if it has a divide, then we will pop because a by b doesn't equal b minus a, b by a. So basically we will do the same. We will store a variable in a n and we will push the result by dividing stack dot pop minus by n. And after all these operations, we can also get a number. So what will do the number? We will simply push it. So basically stack dot push integer percent basically using this for converting the string which is string token character. So we are converting back into integer and pushing this value into stack dot pop. And after all this, we will return stack dot pop which is our result. So let's try run it how it is happening. So 2 1 push the stack, push into stack, push into stack plus. So we will just pop two item and plus it's 3 push into stack 3 3 again push into stack multiply pop previous 2 3 into 3 9 and push into stack return stack dot pop basically return 9. So here we go.